Hey, what's up, boys and girls? I'm here with another epic video. Cyfix here. So today, for this video, it's gonna be a little interesting. Today, I am gonna be doing the handgun only challenge on Freefire. Hopefully, we can get a dub, drop some kills, and yeah. If the audio was terrible last video, I'm so sorry about that. But yeah, we back now. And we're gonna get into it. I don't know why I jumped just now, but yeah, whatever. Guess we're going down here. I will be posting a lot more often, so stay tuned for that. Alright, let's see if we can get us a handgun right away. The only thing about this game is like, they don't give you the best loot sometimes. I mean, handguns are pretty common, but I mean, we can see what we can get. So we can use medkits. So yeah, we can use medkits and like other stuff. The only thing is the only gun we can use is handguns. So no, we can't use that sniper. Dang. All right, we got an M500. That's nice. We can use that. Take the vest. Handgun ammo, yeah. Alright. Yeah. If you didn't know, like there is a handgun shotgun. So yeah, we could use handgun shotguns. Oh, I don't need to say armor. Another medkit for Moss. Bro, I'm crazy with the for Moss, bro. Not even gonna lie. P90, is that a handgun? I think it is. I think the P90 is a handgun. Wait a minute, hold on. I'm gonna see right now. I'm pretty sure the P90 is a handgun. Yeah, I think it is. So we're just gonna go with that. And right away off the bat, we got ourselves a level 3 bike. That's gonna be useful because we're gonna need a lot of handgun ammo, as much as we can get. And what this is, shotgun. Yeah. Well, the M1014, we can't use that, so we're not gonna use that. And let's see what we can get. Sorry for any background noises that you may hear. So, let's see what we can do with this handgun. I'm hoping to at least, I mean, I usually drop about like 6-7 kills a game. My highest kill is 16 kills. But with the handgun, I ain't hoping to do much, but I'm at least expecting at least 3 kills with this handgun. At least 3 kills. Where's everybody at? Come on, pop out. Some EP can be useful right now. Can be really, really useful. Okay. Oh. Oh, we swerving too. We swerving. Okay, that was just... Yeah, I meant to do that. Bro, I swear, if we just get sniped on this vehicle. Guys, if you're liking it so far, be sure... Oh, I see some... Bro. Am I tripping?
Know how I feel. Why would you say that? Like, you put me in such an uncomfortable...
Bro, oh my god, bro. Bro, I was so caught up on the bike that I forgot. Don't worry about it. We meant to do that. We meant to do it. Okay. And we're back, boys. We had a bad start in the beginning. I'm really hoping that we can come back from this one. Bro, we didn't even drop a kill that first game. Scratch that. This game we ain't playing, boys. We gonna take the dub. I promise. Next fit, it's gonna be real interesting, bro. Next fit, I'm gonna give you guys a hint. So, I'm gonna have like this list from 1 to 10 with a bunch of guns. Alright? And you know what? You guys gonna see. You guys gonna see. It's gonna be lit though, I promise. Alright. So I don't wanna go graveyard, but peak is good, but like doesn't really have that much places to loot. So we're gonna go over here. Hopefully we can make it. Bro, the next vid that I'm about to drop, it's gonna be fire, bro. I promise, bro. It's gonna be fire. Alright. I don't think nobody's around here with us. Bro, last game, bro, that was just terrible. Didn't even drop a kill. Alright, I think there's a handgun on the roof. Just gotta get there first before anyone else. Nope. Oh, yes. We'll take that. And then we take the MP5. That's another handgun. Alright, just to be fair, we're gonna drop the MP5. We're gonna take the G18, just to be fair. Cause I'm not like 100% sure it's a handgun. Bro, I swear like everybody's just good at the game right now. I'm not even gonna lie. When I first started this game, like everybody was just doo-doo. I'm not even gonna lie. Everybody was trash, bro. I think we can hold the MP. No, we can't hold the MP4. The M14. What did I drop? Let's drop this. You know, I could have sworn I had that shotgun. Pick that back up. Oh, alright, we can't hold that shotgun. So we're gonna go with the G18. Bro, I gotta take a dub right now. We gotta take a dub, boys. MP40, no. Like, there's just so much good guns, but we can't even get it. Oh, I thought that was someone. I don't know how we gonna fight just with a handgun, but we're gonna try. Plus, I need more handgun ammo. SMA. Oh my god, bro. The SMA is bomb, bro. Alright, we got a vest. Bro, if y'all trying to play some duels with me or anything, just add me at streamer008, bro. Come on, whatever. Alright, bet. We got some EP. Alright. Alright, bet. Bro, I'm spamming jump. Why can... Oh. I swear this game just be capping sometimes, but okay. Alright, what is this? What is that? Oh, dang. Oh, hell no. How much this guy on, bro? How much? Oh my god. Man, bro. Alright, you know what? Screw the handgun challenge. We gon' go raw, bro. We is not gonna leave this game with no L, bro. Screw the handgun challenge. We just gonna go straight up now. We is not leaving this game with the L. Alright, bet. Let's go. We picking up any gun. Oh, dang, bro. Where do that? We is not leaving this game with no L. Bro, alright. Yeah, he got us. Man, that's tough. That's tough, bro. Alright, bro. This is our last game. We're gonna see what we can do in this one, bro. I don't know how they just keep on killing us. Like, that's tough. But, yeah. We're gonna see what we can do. Hey, hashtag doodoo squad in the comments, bro. Hashtag doodoo squad. Bro, if you play duo with me, if you add me, we gonna play duos, and I'm gonna invite you guys to my guild. But yeah, let's see. Bro, I'm jumping early, bro. Screw it. We going clock tower. We just gonna go clock tower. Hashtag doodoo squad in the comments, bro. We landing right here, bro. Bro, how do you guys get a gun, bro? Like, we ain't even started yet. Alright, dog. How is that possible, bro? I just don't see how that's possible. You get a gun right when you join the game. I'm trying to drop some kills, bro. Bruh. Oh my god. Screen glitched out. But yeah, bro, if you enjoyed this gameplay video, bro, with the handgun challenge, and then we just some raw clips, be sure to like and subscribe. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video, bro. Stay tuned, bro. Stay tuned, because the next video gonna be a banger, dog. I promise that. It's gonna be a banger, dog. But yeah. Stay tuned for that. And I'm going to catch you guys in the next video. Peace.